I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming requirements. The Honor X9b has NFC hardware, and your Android build supports host-based card emulation. Open settings and enable Bluetooth and location too. Some apps require them. Next, go to Settings, right arrow More Connections, right arrow NFC, and flip NFC on. Once done, make sure there's no metal case or magnetic mount. That blocks the antenna. You're now ready to pair or tap. This first step prevents common failures and prepares the phone for reliable reads and writes. You now configure how the X9b uses NFC. Open NFC settings and select the default payment or card emulation app when prompted, because the phone routes taps to that app. For sharing files, use the built-in share feature or a recognized NFC app. For writing tags, launch an NFC writer and select type and payload. When tapping a tag or terminal, align the tag over the phone's NFC area, usually top center, and hold for 1 to 2 seconds. Doing this reduces misreads and speeds reliable transfers. You finish by verifying functionality. Test using a known working contactless card or NFC tag and watch for the confirmation sound or on-screen prompt. If it doesn't register, restart the phone, toggle NFC off then on, and try again. This clears temporary software glitches. Make sure the target is positioned correctly and remove any case or magnetic accessory. If it still fails, check for system updates. One key troubleshooting tip: rebooting plus toggling NFC often resolves invisible permission or daemon issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.